Hi, my name is Leandro Morgado, and I'm here to tell you about this, my new upcoming book called Wizard, kind of, written by me and published by 3 monkeys.
Wizard is a sort of a coffee table book with things to look at, things to think about. There are essays, thoughts on pre-show, thoughts on Bob Cassidy's Card Memory, thoughts on the power of habit, thoughts on the Pharaoh Shuffle, thoughts on how and why we should reveal some of the methods to the public. Yes, outrageous.
There's even, QR codes for videos and QR codes for music. So yeah, look it up, get it, and enjoy. Wizard.